You will not die. Mommy, you will not die. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Every spirit of death I am seeing. Every spirit of death that I am seeing is destroyed. In the name of Jesus. What do you want the Lord to do for you?
That God should give us strength. That last day she couldn't stand up, that she wants God's strength. What you want? That's not fair for me. I saw that the eyes were bringing blood. That is why I brought her out that she will not die. And the cotton wool tí wọ́n rí nínú mú yín nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti fi irú ẹ̀ sí imú ènìyàn ìyẹn ní pé èèyàn yẹn ti kú nínú ẹ̀mí ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀ ò ní kú lórúkọ Jésù ó ti dára fún yín lórúkọ Jésù.
That is it. That is it. From now, you shall see them no more.
Amen.
Take her out. You are doing the fasting. I can see. In the name of Jesus, you are delivered from the witchcraft power of your mother's house. In the name of Jesus, every havoc that have been caused by that personality through you, through that old woman, oh God, bless the Lord.